By pressing the push button, you are breaking the wiring circuit between the anodes, the swing meter and the cathode tank. This is just an open circuit test to ensure the meter has not stuck and is functional. In normal operation, the meter needle position will sit anywhere between just above the red and the maximum. When the meter is on 50 or 100 for larger models, it indicates the anodes are working hard to get the system under control. When the system is under total control, the anodes effectively go to sleep, as they do not have a lot to do and the needle will sit just above the red. When the needle is in the service zone, you need to inspect the anodes, and this could be for a number of reasons. 1. The anodes are encapsulated in chemicals if fitted to clean up an old system, and they cannot work and need cleaning. 2. The anodes have totally expired and need replacing. 3. Or potentially a valve is closed off and there is no circulation, and the anodes have treated the tank down to demineralized state and have nothing to do.